Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and physical readiness. Make sure the AirPods Max have at least 20% battery so pairing won't fail. Once done, open the box and remove the insert carefully, keeping the lightning cable and USB power ready. You'll need them if firmware updates are required. Next, press the digital crown briefly to wake the headphones. This initiates discoverable mode for most devices, and it avoids delays when you move to the next step. You bring the headphones within about 1 meter of your host device and open Bluetooth settings, proximity speeds discovery. Then, tap AirPods Max from the available list and follow on-screen prompts. This establishes the secure Bluetooth link. If the system requests a firmware update, plug the lightning cable from the box to apply it. Updates fix compatibility and improve battery management, so you should complete them now. Once paired, verify audio route and noise control settings before moving on. You finish by checking audio output and toggling ANC versus transparency to hear the difference. This ensures the feature set works with your device. Make sure spatial audio and device switching options are set to your preference, and put the box accessories somewhere safe. The lightning cable is useful for future updates or a manual reset. If pairing fails, perform a reset. Hold the noise control button and digital crown for about
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.